First of all, I can say a warm welcome again because now we are full. Everybody's here. So welcome, Alex.
Thank you.
What I love about Perspective is spending time with people that I value and appreciate a lot.
There are so many people at Perspective who inspire me. They have such a different way of thinking.
I just feel like the people at Perspective are go-getters.
Oh,
yeah! Fire!
And I think 10 points for the green team.
We really started thinking, how can we embrace this remote topic? Basically now we do have team-specific offsites. We get together in cool cities around Europe.
While working remotely is the core and we all enjoy that deeply, having this time together really helps us to get to know each other, to bond with each other at Perspective.
It's so intense. You take the time consciously to get to know each other better, not just sitting next to each other, but really interacting. No matter if it's sports or if it's cooking together.
Actually, it's my mom's favorite. My mom teaches me to do it.
Robert forgot a key ingredient in his mom's favorite dessert. This is like the real deal.
My first impression of Perspective and the environment was like, wow, these people are excited about what they're working on.
It's really like energy behind the brand, people working for that.
Why approaching work with your heart is very important. There will be ups and downs where things go wrong, everybody has to help and support. Putting up that fight wouldn't be possible if you wouldn't approach work with your heart.
All you need is love, yeah.
I don't know, we're rowing wrong because we don't know any better. As soon as we realize that, it's totally okay if we do that, but then realize how can we learn from that?
If I have a project that I'm really passionate about, doesn't matter what time of day it is, I'm thinking about it. How can I find a solution for this challenge that I'm facing? Actually, the most satisfaction I get is when I achieve things with a group that actually help the whole team.
To where we need to go, reach the stars.
The moment whenever I dive into some design work, I totally forget about the time. I could work on things for hours and I don't even realize how much time I spend on it.
What's unique about my colleagues is that each and every one of them is truly an expert in their field.
And all the knowledge that Perspective as a company collected over the recent years, I mean, it's also like a very unusual growth story, right? Bootstrapping from 0 to a couple million ARR.
We don't have any like external pressure, which is like pushing a lot of force on our company. So it's just us.
We can achieve way more together with a small amount of people than maybe many other bigger companies.
We're pretty fast in making decisions.
You might not know, 4 days might not be 4 days, might be longer.
Then look for water, enhancing the shelter and rest because we're going to be weak. And day 4 is about getting ready to get picked up with food, water.
We're actually learning how to survive in nature, which is awesome. So let's hope that we're never going to actually use those tricks.
Perspective offers me a lot of possibilities to keep growing, so I can invest in myself and Perspective is happy to invest in me too.
What mainly makes me very happy is freedom. Reading about the topic I'm most curious about. Something that most people do with their free time and I do every day, all the time.
We can decide ourselves what projects we think are valuable and will have the most impact on our business from our department. I always kind of dreamed of like, yeah, I want to help products expand internationally. Now I'm doing it. It's just crazy.
Everyone is basically their own CEO. We are a fully remote company. We have people working from all over Europe.
Being part of Perspective helps me develop personally immensely because we have this very open feedback culture where we will help each other see into our blind spots.
I can help a lot of companies. I can work with a lot of cool people. I think life is way more enjoyable if there is some kind of purpose. And I think Perspective right now is one of these bigger parts of my purpose.
Everybody from the team really has an effect on what we're doing. It's not just you're working your day and then you click out and that's it, but you truly feel connected to what you're doing because you know you're making a difference for people.
We do care really, really a lot about who joins the team.
Because of our core values.
Being cordial and being fully transparent.
It's very few people from all around the world that really match this culture, and these are the people that we bring in.
If you're thinking about joining Perspective, You should really take a look at our values and our core principles that we all cherish.
Life is too short. There is no time for compromises. So basically, if you don't like your employer, if you don't like what you're doing at work, switch it.
If you join Perspective right now, you will get a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to work with incredible people that are the best of the best.
You can feel that people want the product to grow and like that everyone cares about their work.
And you will have the chance to enable a lot of people out there to build better and more sustainable businesses.
You will never want to miss this again.
What does make you happy in life? Basketball. Basketball and work at Perspective. Gut, alright.
Gut, okay, super, das Thema.
Ja,
top, schön. Aber Basketball kann er noch rausschneiden.